So good evening students. Now this is my first class for class 8. Yes, online class. So now today I am going to discuss. I am going to take the advanced maths class. This advanced maths class of class 9. Or sorry, class 8, not 9. Advanced maths. So till now in the classroom we have discussed up to 4 exercise 4C. Now today here we will discuss exercise 4D. Before going to start that exercise, so in this exercise let me introduce one more formula which will be used here. That is x plus a, x plus b into x plus c. So what is the formula? I have already given in the classroom all the formulas which will be used in this exercise in this whole chapter. But this is once again I remind you that x plus a into x plus b into x plus c equal x cube into a plus b plus c into x squared plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So this is the formula. By using this formula we will solve all the questions in this exercise. But in the book there are lots of different type of formulas. Means what they use, they use that suppose here it is plus, then this will be minus, or this will be plus, this will be minus, this will be minus, or all having the minus symbol. Let me show you one thing, highly expanded. Now suppose in place of plus c it is written as minus c, then what will be the formula? Don't memorize it separately, just memorize this formula. This is the main formula. By using this we can expand all of them. See how? So first of all x cube, then plus. See here in the main formula or in the formula I have used a plus b plus c. Why? Because here it is plus a, plus b and plus c. So a plus b plus c. Now here it will be a plus b minus c, x squared plus. Next will be ab, means the product of a and b. Here both having the plus symbol, here also plus, so ab. Next here it is bc, b plus c plus, that's what plus bc. But here see it is plus, it is minus, so plus minus minus. Then again ca means plus c plus a, so ca. So here plus a plus minus c minus ac into x. Then here plus because of plus plus plus, so plus into plus into plus plus. But here plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus. That's why minus abc. So in this way we will expand it. Let me show you one more thing. Suppose in this form, if x plus a, x minus b, x minus c, then what will be the answer? X cube plus a, but minus b minus c. Then plus, plus into minus, minus ab, minus into minus, plus bc, plus minus, minus ac, x, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, so plus abc. So in this way we will expand them. So just memorize this one, that x plus a into x plus b into x plus c equal x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Then these are the corollary. We use the term corollary, means which you can derive from the main formula. Okay, got it? Now, here in the book, the first question is given as multiply. Exercise, I don't have the book, just I give you some examples. Multiply. Yes, suppose question number 1 is x plus 2, x plus 3, and suppose x plus 4. First, here the common variable is x. So it becomes x into x into x cube. Means the power in descending, the power of the variable in descending order 2 plus 3 plus 4. Here x power 3, so here x power 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 2 into 4 x plus 2 into 3 into. So what is the answer? X cube 7 9 9x squared. This one 6, this one 12, this one 8, 26. Yes. So 26, yes, or 20, 26, yes, 26x plus 6, 24. So this is the answer. Same question, suppose here I change the symbol. Suppose minus 3. Then what is the answer? Same x cube 2 but minus 3 plus 4 into x squared. Now see, minus plus 2 minus 3 into equal to how much? Minus 6. Minus 3 4 minus 12. 2 into 4 8. Then the x plus minus 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 plus minus. 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. In this way, we will multiply them. We can multiply them directly. X cube. Now, 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. So, plus 3 x squared. Then, minus 6 minus 12, minus 18. Minus 18 plus 8, minus 10. So, minus 10 x minus 24. So this is the answer. Next question. Suppose x square plus a, x square plus b, x square plus c. So here the common variable is x square. So we will consider x as a x square. Okay, now what is the formula? X cube. So here x means x square, x cube. All having a plus. So symbol will be same. X square. Then AB plus BC plus CA, x plus ABC. The next, x to the power 6, a plus b plus c, x to the power 4, ab plus bc plus ca into x squared plus abc. So this is a simple question. Just you memorize the formula, then the whole chapter is simple for you. Nothing you have to do, just use the formula. Do as much as questions, sir, then it makes the question simple for you. So here the common variable is x. So x cube, a plus b plus c, x squared, a b b c c a x plus a squared b squared c squared. X cube plus a, here a means a squared, b means b squared, c means c squared, then x squared plus ab, a squared, b squared, a squared, b squared, b squared, c squared, a squared, c squared, or c squared, a squared, x, then their product a square, b square and c square. Next question. If a plus b plus c equal to 6, ab plus bc plus ca equal to 10, and abc equal to suppose 5, find x plus a, x plus b, x plus c. So here in this question what you have to do, the values given which are given, that is a plus b plus c equal to 6, ab plus bc plus ca equal to 10 and abc equal to 5. But we have to find the value of x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. So the process is simple process, just use the formula. This is equal to x cube a plus b plus c into x square, ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Now replace them. A plus b plus c given 6, ab plus bc plus ca given equal to 10 and abc equal to 5. So replace them. 6x square 10x plus 5. Got a book? Yeah. Thank you. So in this video, all are the same questions, huh? You see here one more question given, that is 15 minus 1 by a, 18 plus 1 by a, 23 minus 1 by a. So here what we have to do, see in the three terms, not terms actually, these are in this expression. In the first one having 1 by a, second one having 1 by a, third one 1 by a common. So this is a common term, so this will be considered as x. But by the formula we come to know that the common term should be at the first. But here we can't change their places directly because of this minus symbol. But here we can change the places directly because of the what property? Commutative property. Because it has a addition, a plus symbol. And know that in case of addition they follow the commutative property, so we can change the places. But in case of minus it doesn't happen because it doesn't follow the what? Commutative property. But we can change the places, then there will be a minus symbol common, 1 by a minus 15. This will be 1 by a plus 18. And here minus 1 by a minus 23. Understood? So now we have to multiply them. The minus into minus plus. Okay, finished. 1 by a minus 15, 1 by a plus 18, 1 by a minus 23. Then multiply them. 1 by a cube plus minus 15 plus 18 minus 23 into 1 by a square plus minus plus minus 15 into 18 minus plus minus 18 into 23 minus plus 15 into 23 1 by a, and then minus plus minus plus minus minus plus 15 into 18 into 23. Oh my God. 1 by a cube minus 15 minus 23 equal to how much? Minus 38. Minus 38 plus 18 equal to minus 20. So this one simple, minus 20 by a cube or a square. Minus 20 by a square. Now here we will multiply them. We can multiply them orally. Some of them can multiply orally, but not all of them. 15 15 are 225. Yes, then 45. 225, 45 equal to how much? 270. Yes, so minus 270. Then 18 20 are 360 and 54 equal to how much? 414. So minus 414. Then 15 20 are 300 plus 45 345. 1 by 8. But here we multiply this two number. 15 15 220 45 270. Then 270 into 23. Okay, this one 27 is 81, then 54, 6 to 1. Yes, correct. 27 3 is 81, 81, and this one 54. So 6 to 1, 6 to 1 0. So 1 by a cube minus 20 by a square. Then this one, my 414, 270, 486, 684, then 345 subtract them, 9, 3, this will be how much? 3, 339, minus 339 by a plus 6210, this one. Whew. 18, 360, 360, 54, 414, this one 15 till 300, 300 plus 45, 345. So add them, 414 plus 270 equal to 684 minus 345, 936 over 339, this one. Okay, got it? So these are all questions. Means I did only 6 or 7 questions, but all the types. Fractional question here with all having a plus symbol or 2 having a minus, 1 having a plus, and the question number 2 where a plus b plus c given, ab plus bc plus ca given, and abc given. You find the value of x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. So these are the all questions in this exercise. So practice all of them at your home. These questions are based on only this formula, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Yes. The next class will start next exercise 4e, where we'll use only 2 formulas. Okay. So thank you. Bye.